Hello Freedom Tool users. Today we will be going over how to resolve authorization error number 6043-DA10-FE34. You're receiving this authorization error because we needed to install some drivers to get this software to work. So the first thing you should do is exit out of the software and remove the security key from your computer. Once you have closed your software and removed your security key, we are going to access the computer C drive. Now, I found the easiest way to get to your C drive would be go to the bottom of the screen, select the folder icon. Since I'm using Windows 7, I'm going to look for Computer, and then under Computer, I should select Local Disk with a C and a colon in parentheses. Now, if you're using something other than Windows 7, instead of Computer, the option you want to look for is titled This PC, and then under This PC, it might still be Local Disk with a C and a colon in parentheses, or it might be Windows with a C in parentheses, or OS with a C in parentheses. The main thing you're looking for here is an option with a C in parentheses. Once you successfully get to your computer C drive, we're going to look for a folder titled Nelly. Once you find the Nelly folder, you're going to go ahead, double click it to open it up, and inside the Nelly folder you're going to look for a second folder titled Key Utilities. Usually it's the third from the top. Now we are going to select the program titled Rocky4.exe. If you don't see Rocky4, it may also be titled AZ Rocky. So we're going to go ahead and open up Rocky4. And that will open up the AZ Tech Rocky4 installation wizard. So we're going to go ahead and press install, and now it's just installing the drivers that we needed for the software to work. After the software finished installing, we're going to go ahead and select the finish button on the bottom of this window. Then we're going to close out of the File Explorer and open up our Freedom Tool software. At this point in time, you should re-plug in your security key, and since I'm using my DMC software, I'm going to go over to the ThyssenDover option on the File menu, DMC1, select my COM port, and success! Security key has passed. If you are still receiving the same authorization error, please reboot your computer and everything should be working fine. Thank you for watching, and feel free to visit us at worldelectronics.com.